So guys, this one, this is all you need to do. You see this file serve in a file set. Once you click it, this thing will start counting. Once you start reading, you click on claim now. The faster you click, the higher the XRP you get. Sure you understand? So you wait for 1 minute. You wait for 60 seconds. This thing it will start reading, start counting down. Sure you understand? Once it gets to 0 seconds, then they will bring a new XRP. See as this thing they load like this. It goes say if I click on like this now, they're not gonna give me again. Sure you see? So you have to wait for this thing to count down. Then if you want to withdraw, you can use any wallet. You can use your Binance, Bybit, or Telegram wallet to withdraw. You understand? So this is all you need to do here. Just click claim now. Every 60 seconds. Every 60 seconds, click claim now. That is all. Then if you refer, you understand? This one, I don't know, maybe they will still block me. But I go collect my backcam. So that's all. That's all you need to do on this one.